So if you can see in the first triangle, it's already given that angle A is equals to angle E is equals to 20 degree. Then angle B is equals to angle G is equals to 60 degree. And angle C is equals to angle F is equals to 100 degree. If in any triangle, any two angles are equal, or they have already given you the three angles are equal, those two triangles are supposed to be similar based on angle criteria of similar triangles. So we can say here that the triangle ABC is similar to triangle EGF. We have to write the alphabets in the order as we have written the angles in the order. Similarly, for the second part, if you can see that if I will make here the ratio of AB and DE, that would be equals to 6 over 3, which is equals to 2. Similarly, if I'll make the ratio of AC over DF, you can see I'll get here 8 over 4, which is equals to 2. That means the ratio of corresponding sides is equal. Similarly, angle A is equals to angle D. So here what criteria we can use? So side, angle, side. That means the corresponding sides ratio is equal along with one angle is equal. So how many sides ratio is equal? Two corresponding sides ratio is equal. So according to SAS, we can say that these two triangles are similar. So we can write on here triangle BAC is similar to triangle EDF. Again, I have written it in the order. So how I have figured out the order? BA. So here I have taken AB, or we can say BA, and ED. ED means DE. Similarly, AC, if I will use AC, on the other side, I should have DF. Similarly, angle A is in the middle. Here, angle D is in the middle. Similarly, for the third one, if I'll say side, 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 that means the ratio of all the three corresponding sides should be equal. So let's see. I will take here DE over PQ. It's 9 over 3 and we will get here 3. Similarly, if I'll take EF over PR. So you can see here it's 6 over 2, which is again equals to 3. Similarly, I will take DF over QR. It is equals to 12 over 4, which is again equals to 3. So you can see the ratio of all the three corresponding sides is equal. So we can say here that the triangle PRQ is similar to triangle EFD, and we can see that have we written it in the right order or not. So you can see here we have PR, PR, EF, EF. Similarly, if I look for QR, 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 DF, DF. Similarly, if I look for DE and PQ, so PQ, PQ, DE, DE. So that means that these triangles are similar. So you can see here the different 4 examples. So there are 4 different kind of criteria with which we can prove that any two triangles are congruent. So in these triangles, first of all, we have to write down which corresponding sides or angles are equal. So in the first one, we'll write on here, angle C is equals to angle Z. Then BC, this is a single line, this is a single line. So we can write down here BC is equals to YZ. Here we have 2 lines, here we have 2 lines. That means these two corresponding sides are equal. We'll write on here CA is equals to ZX. Now we have to write down which two triangles are congruent depending on these criteria. So we can write down here triangle. This side also triangle. So C and Z. So this side we write on C. This side we write on Z. Then we have BC. We write on BC together is equals to YZ. So we write on YZ together. Then CA. After C, we will use A is equals to ZX. So Z and X will go together. So which criterion we are using here? We are using here side, angle, side. So we can write on here because of side, angle, side criterion, triangle BCA is congruent to triangle YZX. Similarly, in the next part, we can write down here AB is equals to, you can see, YX. So we will write on that. Then BC, 3 lines, is equals to XZ. Then AC is equals to 1 line YZ. Now if I have to write on here the name of the triangles, what I write on here, from the first criterion I will write on triangle AB. So with AB on the other side it would be YX. Then it says BC. So along with B I have to write on C, and it says XZ. So along with X I will write on here Z. That means triangle ABC is congruent to triangle YXZ. So you can see here AC, AC, and if I will make here YZ, I will be able to make. So which criterion? Side, side, side. So we can write on here that these two triangles are congruent because of side, side, side congruency theorem. Similarly, in the next one, if I have to write down angle B is equals to, there are two lines, angle Y. Similarly, angle C, 1 line, is equals to angle Z. Similarly, side is given equal, BC is equals to YZ. Now we have to write down the name of the triangles. We can write down here triangle. So I will use B and Y. B and on the other side also Y. Similarly, C and Z. BCYZ. So we will write down BC here, Y and Z. And we can write down A on any side. I will write on here A here and X here. That means these two triangles are congruent depending on, we have angle, side, angle. So we can write on here depending on angle, side, angle criteria. We can say triangle ABC is congruent to triangle XYZ. Similarly, in the last part of it, if you will see, angle C is equals to angle Z, because you can see that we have the measurement here. This angle is a little bit bigger than your angle X. So I have written here angle C is equals to angle Z. Similarly, angle A is equals to angle X. Then side AB is equals to XY. So we can write down here the name depending on these criterion. So I will take the sides here. I will write down here AB, and on the other side I will write down here XY. Now I have to see the next part. Now it says A is equals to X. We have already that. Then we have here C is equals to Z. So we haven't written C here. We write on here C, and on the other side we write on Z. Now triangle ABC is congruent to triangle XYZ depending on angle, side. So we write on here which criterion? Because of angle, side criterion, we can say these two triangles are congruent. So you can see here the name of the triangles are not same in all of them. Here I have written BCA is congruent to YZX. Here I have written ABC is congruent to YXZ. So depending on which sides, which angles are given equal, we have to make here which two triangles are congruent.